Question 5. There's a lot of information in this question as well, but we're going to decipher what it's actually asking and work it out. So it's talking about Frank tiling his rectangular wall, and he's got tiles that are 60 centimeters by 30 centimeters. We're told that 3/5 of the tiles are going to be white, some of them are green, and the rest are going to be blue. And then we're told the ratio of green to blue tiles is going to be 1 to 3. And we want to find out how many tiles of each colour is Frank going to need. Okay, so there's different ways that you could work out how many tiles he needs. You could think about how many 60 centimetres I could fit in 6 metres. I could fit 10. And you could think about how many 30 centimetres I could fit into 1.8 metres, and I could end up fitting 6, and then work out how many tiles I need. Some of you might like to work it out like this. If I've got a 6 metre long wall, I've got to divide it by however wide the tiles are, so 60 centimetres. Remember, this is in metres, so I've got to put 60 centimetres in to metres, so divided by 0.6, that ends up giving you 10. And then the height of the wall, we've got 1.8 metres, and the height of the tiles, we've got 30 centimetres, but in metres that's 0.3, and then we get that as 6. Working out how many tiles we need, 10 times 6 gives me 60. I need 60 tiles altogether, or Frank needs 60 tiles altogether. So to work out how many tiles are going to be white, now that we've found out how many tiles he needs, it's really easy. We've got 3/5 of 60. So working out fractions of amounts, divide by the numerator times by the divide by the denominator times by the numerator. So we've got 60 divided by 5 gives you 12, times it by 3 gives you 36. So we know that there are 36 white tiles. So we've dealt with that part of the question. Now we're told that some of the tiles will be green, the rest will be blue, and the ratio of the green tiles to the blue tiles is 1 to 3. So I need to share what's left over in the ratio 1 to 3. What's left over? We've got 60 take away 36, which gives me 24. Then I want to share 24 in the ratio 1 to 3. Sharing in a ratio, add these together gives you 4, and then divide our number by 4. So 24 divided by 4 gives me 6, and then that's how much one part of a ratio is worth. So that one part is going to be worth 6, and if one part is worth 6, 3 parts has got to be worth 3 lots of 6, so we get 18. So the ratio of green tiles to blue tiles is 6 to 18. So the blue tiles is 18 and the green tiles is 6. And then once I've written that down, shown all my work in, that gets me the 5 marks for that part of the question. The second part, most of you got this one right, where it says that Frank is told that he should leave gaps between the tiles. If he leaves gaps between the tiles, how is this going to affect how many tiles he needs? That's just going to be that he will need less tiles. So you could just write he needs less tiles, or the amount of tiles he needs will decrease. Anything about him needing less tiles would have got you that 1 mark there.